They say being part of a well-known family is such a flex.
Ano po ang inyong masasabi sa inyong muling pagkapanalo, Senador?
Siyempre, lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa tiwala ng ating mga kababayan.
Ano naman po ang masasabi ninyo sa akusasyon ng inyong kalaban na kayo raw ay sangkot sa korupsyon?
Walang katotohanan ang mga paratang na iyon. Ang pangalan ko ay malinis at mananatili pa rin malinis.
Mayroon po ba sa inyong pamilya na naisin pumasok sa politika balang araw?
Oo, itong dalawang anak na lalaki. Ipinagmamalaki ko sila dahil nakikita ko na mas higit pa ang mabibigay nilang serbisyo balang araw sa bayan.
Imagine being recognized by a lot of people without making any effort. Being respected by everyone because of your family name and being praised for things you never even did.
Siyempre, anak kasi siya ng senator.
But being part of my family.
Go back to your room. I don't want to see your face.
The Vasquez family was never a blessing for me. Behind the polished smile and the golden reputation lies a truth no one dares to talk about. I'm Kathleen Vasquez and this is my story. Lumaki ako sa pamamahay na nagsisigawan ng mga tao kahit sila'y kumakain. Maybe I was only born so they would have someone to take their anger out on.
Uy, miss, sandali lang. Wala namang ganyanan.
Who are you?
Bakit ka umiyak?
I'm not crying.
Expert ka magsinungaling, ha?
I'm not lying.
Tanda-tanda mo na umiyak ka pa rin sa sulok.
How dare you? Sino ka ba? Are you one of my dad's tail?
Oo. Teka, paano mo alam? Stalker ka, no?
Only my dad's bodyguard wears suit in this household. Anyways, what are you doing in my lola's treehouse?
Oh, kasi curious ka na sa akin. Miss, siyan mo lang. Kakilala pa lang natin, oh. Napag-aalata, natipo mo ako, eh. Miss! Uy, joke lang!
Class, I now have your grades.
Miss, can I talk to you po?
Yes, Miss Vasquez. Bakit po wala ako sa DL? My grades are good naman po.
Yes, Miss Vasquez. You're right. Your grades are good. But unfortunately, it's not one of the best. As you know, we can only have 20 teens listers. And those who made the list have higher grades than yours. I'm sorry, but you didn't make it this time. I'm sorry, but you didn't make it this time. I'm sorry, but you didn't make it this time.
Ano to, Kathleen?
My God, Kathleen! Yan ang alam nato pag mo hindi mo pa maayos-ayos.
Pero mataas naman po yan.
Mataas? Bakit wala ka sa dean's list kung mataas yan?
Ma'am, I can't compete with them. Masyado silang matatalino.
Sumasagot ka na ngayon? Masyado silang matatalino? You can't compete with them? Just admit the fact that you're a loser. Why don't you try to be like your brothers? They're not just on the dean's list. They're on top of their batch.
Sa tingin mo, anong sasabihin ng mga amigal relatives natin pag nalaman na lang you're not doing well in your studies? Your reputation, Kathleen! Your reputation! I've told you many times about that! No cell phones or any gadgets. No books and no cards. Hanggang magtanda ka. Namimiyasa ka na porket lagi ka ng pinagbibigyan.
But Dad, that's not fair. Huwag naman po. I'll do my best next time.
Stop it, Kathleen! You kept on telling yourself you would do your best. But the truth is, you'll never be good enough. Not for me, not for anyone. You'll never measure up. No matter how hard you try, you'll always fall short. You'll never be good enough.
May problema ba? Ano nangyari? Tell me your problem.
Sino ka ba? Why do you care so much? I don't need your help. Leave me alone.
Tell me what's wrong. Gusto kitang tulungan.
I don't need your help. Just let me be.
Pero,
Ano ba? Sabi, leave me alone, di ba? You don't know anything about me, so don't act like you can comfort me.
Am I really a disappointment? What even is my worth anymore? Do I still have any? Do I? Bakit ba napakahalaga ng pangalan na yan? When will I even feel the love that I deserve? Bakit ba nangyayari to? Ano po bang ginawa kong masama sa kanila?
Good evening po.
Yaya, what is our dinner for tonight?
A classic Filipino dish, adobong manok, senyorito.
I requested a steak na, di ba? What's up with this? Adobo?
Ah, oo nga pala. Nakalimutan ko.
You heard the boy, Yaya. Yes, senyorita. Asikasuhin na po namin.
Totoo ba yun, Kathleen? Na you failed to get into the dean's list? Yung bagay na binibasic ko lang mahirap na para sa'yo?
Is that true, Dad? Mom? Disappointment.
Unfortunately, totoo yun.
Well, she's always been a disgrace naman, so ano pa nga bang bago?
Honestly, I don't know what to do with you anymore, Kathleen. I really don't. Sobrang laking damage yun sa reputasyon ng pamilyang to. Lalo na pag lumabas sa publiko yung result ng dean's list ng school nyo. Ang tagal, Yaya, ha?
Yes, finally, Yaya.
Sunod ng wine, please.
Hindi na po pala ako kakain.
Ikaw ha, gusto mo? Here.
Why? Why? Bakit ganito? I work so hard for what? For what?
Kat,
Ikaw na naman? How did you know my name?
I'm your dad's taking nga, sabi mo. So, syempre, malalaman ko talaga. Lagi ka na lang umiiyak.
Don't you know? It's healthy for the eyes.
You won't tell me your problems if you can take the pain anymore.
Kaya ko pa naman. I was raised like this.
I'm not forcing you, but it's not good to keep your hinanakit to yourself. Sige ka, baka sumabog ka pag wala kang mapaglabasan.
Fine. But, can you answer my question muna? Why are you always here? Ang tagal
Kasi pinapabantayan to sa akin ng dad mo. Lagi ka raw kasing pumupunta rito.
Anong gusto mong malaman?
Why are you crying? Are you okay?
After hearing that question, I felt something deep inside me. Something I've never felt before. They forced me into a course I know I'm not capable of taking. But what choice did I have? They kept on reminding me that I owed them everything. Maybe I could have excelled if I had chosen my own path. Instead, I give up my own happiness for theirs. Yet still, I'm never enough. I'm sorry.
No, you can continue.
They kept comparing me to my brothers. Because in our family, sons were always worth more. Daughters were seen as burdens, weak, useless, and capable of carrying the Vasquez name. Even my mom was looked down on until she proved herself in showbiz. You know, sometimes I wonder if I'm only kept here because they're waiting for me to do the same.
That sucks.
It does. It really does.
Bakit di mo i-try i-open sa mga kaibigan mo? Kesa kimkimin mo yan ng mag-isa.
I don't do friends.
I mean, kahit isa?
I can't remember if I made one. And I'm afraid to make friends.
Pero, bakit ka nakikipagkaibigan sa akin?
Hindi ako nakikipagkaibigan sa'yo. I just want to share kung bakit ako laging umiiyak. Baka sabihin mo ang weird ko.
Pang-asar ko lang yun. Nakikita ko naman kasi kung gaano kasakit yung nararamdam mo tuwing binabanggit mo yung kalagayan ng pamilya mo. I'm sure na mabigat na yun. Yes, pero someday gagaan yan.
For 18 years, hindi na nawala yung bigat na nararamdaman ko. Should I expect for better days kung andito ako sa pamamahay na to?
Nothing is impossible, Kat. Nothing is.
I gotta go. Baka hinahanap na ako. Thank you. I feel a little bit better.
Can you imagine it? Anak ng kilalang personalidad, tapos natanggal sa dean's list? Her family must be so disappointed.
Yeah, right. Could never be me. Marami talagang walang magawa sa buhay.
Take your seat.
Class, who do you think should be blamed for the unresolved issue, poverty? Yes, Ms. Vasquez, let me hear your answer.
I don't think it's who, but what, ma'am. And I think it is the lack of job employment in the country. A lot of people are willing to work, but they can't always find jobs that matches their skills. Some finish school but still struggle to get hired, while others don't have enough training for the kind of work that are available.
Good point, Ms. Vasquez. Anyone else? Yes, Ms. Tuazon.
For me, ma'am, I think it's the corrupt government officials. She mentioned jobs, but how can there be enough opportunities if the money that's supposed to go to projects and programs ends up in their own pockets? Di ba may kilala kang ganyan, Kathleen?
What do you mean?
You know what I mean.
Oops.
Class, that's enough!
Whatever.
Tatanga-tanga naman! Ano pa ba yung expect mo dyan? Kaya nga natanggal sa DL eh.
Buti nakapasok ka pa sa dean's list, no?
Well, mas deserve ko naman yun kasi sa anak ng senador, mabayad naman yung grades.
Tara na, may next class pa tayo kasama yung sabit na yun.
I don't know what to do anymore. Parang sinulo ko na lahat ng sakit sa mundo. All I ever want is to live my life, pero lahat sila ayaw sa akin. I'm such a failure.
a disappointment to everyone around me.
Asan yun? Andito lang yun ah.
Tinapon ko na.
Ano ba? Bakit ba pakialamero ka?
Hindi ako pakialamero. May malasakit ako sa'yo. Magkaiba yun. Kathleen, you don't have to kill yourself. Kung malungkot ka, edi magdrama ka. Kung pagod ka, magpahinga ka. At kung tingin mo hindi mo na kaya, lumaban ka pa rin. Para sa mga nagmamahal sa'yo.
Nagmamahal? Sinong nagmamahal sa akin? They don't even care about me.
Ako! Count me in, Kat. One person is enough as a reason to continue fighting.
Hindi nga kita kilala.
Eh di kilalanin mo ako.
And you think you can save me from this miserable life of mine?
Yes? No? Maybe? Pero no. Basta ang alam ko lang, lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo lilipas din yan. Lahat ng problema mo may solusyon. You don't have to end your life, Kathleen. Lumaban ka. Your future self is waiting for you.
Kawad ako. Pinatay ko. Perfect! Hi. Hanggang drawing na lang talaga. Ano yan? Patingin.
Tamo?
I don't talk to strangers.
Wow, ha? Strangers? Pang-10 araw mo na ata akong kinakausap ngayon.
Correction, hindi kita kinakausap. Iniistorbo mo ko kaya napagsasalitaan kita.
Sakit. Storbo pala ako.
Oo, talaga.
Ano nga yan?
Wala nga.
Sige. Huwag na.
Teka nga, ginagawa mo ba talaga yung trabaho mo? Sa mga nagdaang araw, wala kang ibang ginawa kundi asarin ako.
Ginagawa ko ba yung trabaho ko? Dito ba ako kung hindi?
Ah, so kasama sa trabaho mo ang asarin ako, ganon.
For the past few days, Gino has always been around. At first, I thought I get tired of his presence since he has this way of annoying me. But surprisingly, I've gotten used to it. In fact, I've started to notice how comforting it actually feels to have him nearby. I don't really know how to explain it. Maybe it's because I've been longing for someone to actually stay, to check on me without me having to ask. And somehow, he became the first person to do that.
Ano nga palang pangalan mo? Hindi ako interesado sa iyo, ah. Na-curious lang ako kasi ilang araw mo na ako kinukulit tapos hindi ka pa nagpapakilala.
Gino.
Gino? Una na ako.
Senyorita, ayos ka lang po ba?
Paabot ng gamit ko, Ate Moon.
Nahihilo ka ba? Gusto may patawag ko doktor mo?
I can handle it, ate. Yung gamot ko lang talaga.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, huwag ka munang papasok lalo na't kakagaling mo pa lang sa ospital.
Kaya ko naman po. Hay nako, basta pag may nararamdaman ka, magsabi ka kaagad sa akin, ha?
Thank you, ate.
Yaya, baka marinig ka pa ng mami mo at mapagalitan tayo. O siya, magpahinga ka na sa kwarto mo.
Bakit yung mga tao pang di mo kaano-ano ang mas may malasakit sa'yo? And those people na pamilya mo ang nagpaparamdam na di ka belong sa kanila?
Boo! Tulalay.
Di ka talaga nakakagulat.
Uy, I saw you flinch.
Whatever.
Tagal nating di nagpakita. Wala nang problema sa buhay?
Hindi naman ako nawawala ng problema. Nabisi lang sa school.
Di mo man lang ba ako na-miss?
Ha?
Di mo man lang baka ako na-miss tumambay dito?
Weirdo ka ba?
Gwapo lang.
Gusto mo piso?
Piso lang, di 1,000,000.
Pwede rin. Gusto mo ba?
Siyempre naman. Sinong tatanggi sa pera, di ba? Teka. School ba yan?
Ew! In your dreams!
Bakit pa ba kasi ako bibigyan ng 1,000,000?
Para bumili ka ng kausap mo at hindi ako ginugulo mo.
Hindi ko na nga nakita ng tao ng ilang araw.
Kinakausap mo ba sarili mo?
Oo, para di ako panggulo sa'yo.
Gino! Andyan ka ba?
Boo!
Di ka talaga nakakagulat.
Hanap mo ako?
Laro tayo.
Wow, college ka na niya.
Ayaw mo ba?
Ano muna nakain mo?
I just realized na I need someone to talk to right now.
Oh, ano yun?
Try not to laugh to sa jokes ha. Pag nanalo ako, di ka magpapakita sa akin next week kahit may trabaho ka pa dito. Pag ikaw naman nanalo, kahit kulitin mo ko ng ilang buwan, di ako maggalit.
Saan mo naman nalaman yung larong yan?
Ewan, I just know it. Game na! Start ako. Anong country ang iisa lang hita?
Ano?
Edi, Taiwan.
Anong country ang mabilis tumakbo?
Iran. Ano ba yan? Ang luma. Anong mas mabilis pa dun?
Ano?
Egypt.
Anong country ang matigas? Iraq.
What do you call the head of police potatoes? Edi, potato chip.
Ito. Use calculator in a sentence. Hey baby, can I calculator?
Wala mo dito sa baba, no?
Madaya, natawa ka lang eh.
Hindi ah.
Patingin nga kung hindi. See you tomorrow then.
Senyorita, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Sila mami po.
Inimbitahan sila sa palasyo. Akala ko nga kasama ka.
Wala naman pong sinabi.
Hay nako, yung pamilya mo talaga. Di bale, sumama ka na lang sa akin mag-grocery.
Talaga po ate?
Good morning, Senorita.
Thank you, Ate Moon. Nag-enjoy ako dun. Mom?
Who told you to take us into the grocery store, ha? Who told you to talk to her? Wala! Ilang beses ko bang uulitin? No maid in this house is allowed to talk to her. You're crossing the line!
Mom,
and you! Stop entertaining servants as if they matter. You're just making them feel too important. Don't waste your time with people beneath you.
Mom, that's too harsh.
I don't care. Go back to your room now. Ano ba? I'm warning you. If they say anything about the past, kahit isang salita lang, you will regret it. Do you understand?
Wala po akong sinasabi, Senorita.
Good. You'd better not. Now, get your things at huwag ka na magpapakita sa amin ever again. Do you hear me? You're finished here. Out of my house, out of my sight. If I even see your shadow in your hair again, trust me, you won't like what happens next.
Why? She didn't do anything wrong. Wala ba siyang palis eh?
Don't you dare defend her. She's nothing.
Kat, alagaan mo sarili mo, ha?
No, Ate Moon, please. Enough! Get out before I change my mind, make things worse for you.
No! Ate Moon!
Why do you always do this to me? Why do you always keep pulling away the people who actually cared about me?
Kat, please. Please put the blade down.
This made me feel better, Gino.
Pero nasasaktan ka niyan.
It's nothing compared to the pain I feel inside me.
Kat, just please, bitawan mo na yan. Please.
Huwag mo kong pakialaman, okay? Ikaw na naman ang tatanggalin nila pag nagmalasakit ka sa akin. Gino, can you answer me? Am I really that unworthy? That cursed? Why does it always have to be me? Left empty, left behind, and left alone.
Kat, you're the most beautiful thing that has happened in my life. Don't listen to them, okay? You have me. You always have me.
Ano to? Saan galing to? They know. I can feel it.
No! They don't have proof! Accusations are useless without evidence! All we have to do is to deny. Deny until the very end.
You don't understand. They're already digging. What if they found the funds? What if they traced the money? My God! Do you realize what will happen to us? It's just not our name at stake. It's our lives!
You think I let them take it away? No! You've come too far. I won't let some investigators destroy everything I have!
You mean stole? And now it's chasing us. How long do you think you can keep running, huh?
All this time? Totoo yung sinasabi nila tungkol sa inyo?
Ouch! What the hell, Kathleen? Ano yan?
Kuya, ano ba?
Kaya pala may nakita akong pills sa basura ng 1 linggo. Ha, di ka lang pala disappointment. Baliw ka rin pala.
I just want my brothers to treat me right. Like I'm their sister. Wala na ba talaga akong kakampi sa pamilyang to?
Kaya mo to, Kat. Ikaw pa.
Nababaliw na ba ako? Bakit naririnig boses niya? Oh, baka nasasanay lang ako sa presensya niya kaya naririnig ko yung boses niya. Shh! Kasalanan to ni Gino.
Oh!
Gino!
Kalma. Ako lang to.
Ano? Bakit palagi ka nandito?
Like I said, ako nga taga-bantay ng treehouse mo.
So, ano nangyari?
It's my brothers. They saw the pills and mocked me. They called me crazy, laughing at me as they did so. They never really cared about me at all since I was born. And I gotten used to it. Pero nasasaktan ako sa tuwing iniisip ko na never nila akong tinuring bilang kapatid. Wala na akong kakampi. Not even my brothers.
Ako. Nandito ako. Kakampi mo ako.
You don't even know me that much. Why do you care so much? At may pakikapayata sa akin kesa sarili kong pamilya at mga kapatid.
Kasi I care about you. Importante ka sa akin.
Bakit? Itauhan ka lang naman ni Daddy.
Ayan naman.
It just doesn't feel right.
It feels right to me.
Anong sabi mo? What do you mean by that?
Wala. Huwag mo nang pansinin yun. Ito na ako ah. Mahanap na ako ng daddy mo.
Gina, wait!
It's always them and never me. When will it ever be me?
Look, I know what you're trying to do, Kathleen.
What are you talking about?
Pogi ko dun ah.
Wala yan?
Come on now. At least try to lessen your suicidal thoughts kesa alalahanin mo na makita ko yung drawings mo. What if, instead of harming yourself, you try to do how you feel? Total, mahilig ka mag-drawing, di ba?
Drawing? Is that really gonna solve my problem?
Siguro oo, siguro hindi. Pero at least, mapapagaan ito yung nararamdaman mo kahit onti.
Hindi ka lang pala expert mag-asara. Expert ka rin magbigay ng advice.
Ah, oo. Kat, hindi lahat ng problema nadadaan sa suicide. Permanent solutions doesn't solve temporary problems. Hindi ka mag-isa, nandito ako.
You always say that.
Kasi gusto kong iparating na you can always talk to me.
Guess I'm stuck with you forever, huh?
Yeah. Forever.
Ayoko na mag-aaral.
Maswerte ka nga, nakakapag-aral ka pa.
Di ka lang nag-aaral. Oo nga pala. Ba't di ka nag-aaral?
Wala. So kasing magtrabaho muna.
Pwede namang ipagsabay yun.
I lost my scholarship months ago. Kaya huminto muna ako.
Ha? Bakit?
Wala yun. Nakasapa kasi ako.
Totoo?
Basta, ikaw, bakit tayo mo nang mag-aral? You have all the privilege to study anything that you want.
But my parents are the one who decide for me though.
Because you let them?
Because I don't have a choice.
There's always a choice, Kat. You just don't want to do it.
Natakot kasi ako. My family is the only thing I have. And I know they could disown me if I don't obey their wishes.
There's nothing wrong with following your dreams, Kat. It's your life to live, not theirs. And ikaw lang yung magsasuffer if you let them dictate what you want in life. So habang maaga pa, learn to choose what you want. Kasi baka pagsisiyan mo lang later when it's too late na. And if they disown you, then that means na they don't really care about you.
Wala naman talaga silang pakialam sa akin.
Then at least, learn to care about yourself, Kat.
That morning, I finally made the hardest decision I had longed to make.
What did I just hear, Kathleen? You shifted your course? A teacher? My goodness! You didn't even ask us if that's what we wanted!
I wanted it, Dad!
Are you out of your mind? Kailangan ka pa natuto mag-desisyon mag-isa.
I need to! I'm a grown-up now, making my own decisions. You can't keep controlling me forever!
You don't have the authority to make decisions! Shift your course tomorrow morning, whether you like it or not.
No!
Kathleen! Don't you dare talk to Dad like that!
Kayo okay lang na pagsalitaan ako ng masama, tapos ako bawal magsalita kahit yun naman talaga yung dapat?
Where did your attitude come from? Just shut up and do what Dad said.
Dahil ba gawain nyo yun? Gawain mo yun? Ang maging sunod-sunuran kay Daddy para lang maging proud siya? Pwes, ibahin nyo ako.
You think that makes you strong? No. Makes you pathetic. You'll never survive without this family, Kathleen.
Pathetic? No, Kuya. What's pathetic is selling your soul just to earn Dad's approval.
Ako ang nagpapaaral sa inyo. Ako ang nagdadamit sa inyo. At ako ang nagpapalaban sa iyo. Kaya dapat lang ako ang masunod.
Actually, you don't feed me, Dad. People do. Akala niyo ba hindi ko alam mga illegal mong ginagawa? Hindi ka na nahiya? Have you looked outside? Have you opened your eyes to the people in this country? Nilagay ka sa posisyon na yan para tumulong sa tao, hindi para pagnakawan sila. There's a lot of them struggling just to pay their taxes, yet you had the audacity to steal the money they've been working so hard for. Tapos, isusumbat niyo sa akin that you're the one feeding me? That you're the one paying for my needs? For God's sake, it's the people who are feeding me dahil sa kaban ka ng bayan kumukuha ng pera. Alam niyo, Dad, kung kinakahiya niyo ako bilang anak, mas higit kitang kinakahiya bilang tatay ko.
Oh, anong nangyari? Okay ka lang ba?
I had a fight with my dad and brother. But I feel really good. Parang may natanggal na bigat sa balikat ko. Hindi ko mapaliwanag eh.
Ginawa mo yung sinabi ko sa'yo?
Yes. And I will stand firmly by my decision. Whatever it takes.
I'm proud of you, Kat.
Thank you.
Loh, anong tinatawa-tawa mo dyan, ha? Patingin!
Wala! Doon ka nga!
Dali na, patingin!
Ano ba? Ang kulit, ha?
Patingin lang eh.
Ikaw mo nga ba, Gino? Papansin ka talaga, Gino.
Oy, sorry na.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Gusto ko lang naman makita sino dinadrawing mo eh. O mamaya, ibang lalaki na pala yan.
Eh ano naman sa'yo? Boyfriend ba kita? Baka nakakalimutan mo, tauhan ka lang ni Daddy.
O nga pala. Sige. Sorry.
I wonder if Gina likes ice cream.
Why am I even thinking about him? No, Virgo. Okay lang ba yun?
Dino!
Oh, namiss mo ako agad.
No, feeling ko.
Kanino yan?
Mami, liver ko. Para sa'yo.
Bakit? Diba tawahan lang naman ako ng daddy mo?
La, joke lang naman yun eh. I'm sorry. Ito nga oh, bilan kita. He's offering.
Thanks, pero hindi ako nakain niya.
No, may tao palang ganun, hindi makain ito. Galit na paano?
Di ba halata?
Gino, can I draw you?
Pag-iisipan ko.
No!
Kiss muna.
Lol, asa ka. Okay. Ganyan ka lang ah, wait.
Hindi ko kayang umibig muli habang buhay na lang kitang hihintayin.
I have to go.
Alam mo, yung anak ko, ikakasal na.
Uy, naalala ko tuloy nung kinakasal ako. Grabe, hindi ko makalimutan yung pakiramdam naglalakad sa altar. Tapos, nasa dulo yung pinakagwapong lalaki sa buong mundo.
Huwag ka maingay, maririnig ka ng senyorita.
Okay lang po. Paano po ba kayo nagkakilala ng asawa niyo?
Halika, umupo ka muna. Sa terminal kami ng tricycle nagkakilala. Siya yung driver, tapos ako yung pasahero. Tapos, naligaw kaming dalawa. Siya yung driver, tapos hindi niya alam. Pwede ba yun?
So, naging kayo na po nun pagkatapos?
Siyempre hindi, nagpaligaw muna ako.
Nagpaligaw o nanligaw?
Sus, wag ka nga, ang dami kayo nanliligaw sa akin noon.
Noon yun, ano na ngayon?
Kung marami pang naliligaw sa inyo dati, paano niyo po nalaman na siya na yung the one for you?
Yung kapag nakikita mo siya, tumitigil yung paligid mo. Bumibilis yung tibok ng puso mo. Tapos, pag nakatingin siya sa'yo, akala mo matutunaw ka na parang ice cream. Tapos, pag nagkalapitan ng yung mga labi, parang gusto-gusto mo siyang halikan.
Kuya po, ayo!
Oh my gosh. Am I in love?
Anong hinahanap mo?
Gino!
Oh! Gulat na gulat? Ops. Iniiwasan mo ba ako?
Ha? Ako? Iniiwasan kita? Hindi ah.
Ah, hindi ba? Ilang araw na kasi kitang hindi nakikita dito.
I was just busy at school. That's it. And ano bang paki mo?
Bigla ka kasing nawala the other day, so I thought may nagawa kong mali. Meron nga ba?
No. I was busy.
Okay. I understand.
I have to go now.
Agad? Can't we just talk muna? Tagal kitang hinintay.
I just can't right now. I'm sorry.
Ano kaya lulutuin natin ngayon?
Siguro at adobo na lang?
Ma'am Kathleen, kumain na po ba kayo? Gusto niyo po ipagluto ko po kayo?
Ay, okay lang po. I'm not hungry pa rin po.
Senyorita, okay lang po ba kayo?
I don't understand myself anymore. I wanted to avoid him, but it pains me every time I do so. I wanna laugh with him. I wanna hear his jokes kahit na corny siya most of the time. I wanna be beside him.
Ano po ba napapapigil sa inyo?
I'm scared. What if he doesn't feel the same way? Paano kung kaibigan lang yung tingin niya sa akin? What if this becomes the reason para masira yung pinagsamahan namin? Ayoko nun, Yaya.
Alam mo, kung hahayaan mong kunin ka ng takot, walang mangyayari. Kasi ganyan din ako dati eh. Muntik na kami hindi magkatuluyan ng asawa ko. Pero guess what? Umamin pa rin ako. Alam mo yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko? You only live once. You only live once. You only live once. You only live once. You only live once.
Uminom ka po muna, senyorita.
Thank you, Yaya. I know what to do now. Wanna know the reason bakit dito nagpatayo ng treehouse si Lola?
Bakit?
Kasi ang ganda ng view. Ganda, no?
Ang ganda nga.
Ha?
Wala. Kamusta na pala kayo ng daddy mo?
Hindi ko siya nakikita lately. Baka busy.
Masaya ka naman.
Oo naman.
May sasabihin ka ba?
Ha? Wala.
Halata.
Anong ibig mo sabihin?
Halatang may sasabihin ka. Walang makakawala sa akin.
Gino,
Kat,
ever felt like you want to say something, but you can't? Like, kung ano man yung lumabas sa bibig mo, tapos na. Wala na. That's what I'm feeling right now.
you can tell me anything, Kat.
But this one isn't easy to say.
Sabihin mo sa akin. Makikinig ako.
Gino, I think I'm falling in love with someone.
Someone?
Oo. And I'm afraid what he'll think kapag sinabi ko sa kanya yung nararamdaman ko. You know him. Mabait siya. May itsura. Laging andyan para sa akin. Matangkad. He always makes me laugh. He never fails to make me happy. He comforts me when I need it. He's perfect. You're perfect. Gino, I like you. I mean, hindi ko naman na-expect na i-reciprocate mo yung nararamdaman ko. I just want to tell you how I feel.
Kat, I like you. Actually, no. Mahal na nga kita eh. Matagal na.
Parang hindi lang ako yung malamig yung kamay ah. Hala. Totoo pa to? Is this real? Am I dreaming? Lord, ano to?
Okay ka lang?
I just can't believe what you just said.
Kat, this is me.
I mean it. Gustong gusto kita.
Hoy na, sige
Kat,
na.
sobrang gusto kita.
Sana di mo maisipang pumunta dun ah.
I'll try.
Seryoso ako. Hindi masaya dun.
Paano mo nalaman? Nakapunta ka na ba dun?
Hindi, pero walang ako at ikaw dun.
Ang corny ah.
Namimiss ko na si mama.
Ang random ah.
38 days ko na kasi siyang hindi nakikita eh.
Wow, bilang na bilang. Ba't kasi di ka mag-day off?
Wala lang. Baka mamiss mo ako tapos tuluyan kang magpakamatay.
Ang feeling.
Get yourself ready. We're going to my former business partner's funeral. You better make yourself presentable. They don't want to see me failure with a daughter in bad condition.
Fix your makeup. You look horrendous. If you haven't slept in days. Gino? What?
Kathleen?
Kilala niyo po ako?
Tama nga ang sinabi ni Gino. May ka-memory loss ka.
Po? Naguguluhan po ako.
Ako ang nanay ni Gino, Kathleen. Nakilala kita dahil naging kayo ng anak ko.
Naging kami?
Kaso, naghiwalay kayo pagkatapos mong maaksidente at hindi ko alam ang rason. Huwag mong piliting makaalala, Kathleen. Baka makasama pa yan sa'yo.
Pero buhay pa po si Gino, di ba? Hindi po siya yan.
Wala na siya. Nagpakamatay ang anak ko, Kathleen.
Po, ano po sinasabi niyo?
Paano?
Kailan?
Naabutan ko na lang siya sa bahay, nakalumpasay. At may hawak-hawak na pinagbabawal na gamot. Ang 40 days niya pala ngayon, pero miss na miss ko na siya. Walang araw na hindi ko siya niisip, Kathleen.
Miss ka na rin po niya, tita.
Sana masaya na siya kung nasaan man siya ngayon.
Kailangan ko na pong mauna, tita.
Ingat ka, Iha.
Bakit nakatayo ka lang din, Tino? Bakit di mo ako matulungan?
What?
Kasi this time wala ka na.
Alam mo na?
Nakita ko yung puntod mo. Nakausap ko rin yung nanay mo. Bakit? Bakit di mo sa akin sinabi yung totoo? Bakit di mo sa akin sinabi na patay ka na, Gino? Ang dami-dami mong chance para sabihin sa akin yung totoo. Pero anong ginawa mo? Tell me anything.
I'm sorry, I didn't know how to say anything and nahangamba ako sa kung ano yung magiging reaction mo.
You always tell me I can tell you everything, yet you can tell me everything?
I was planning to tell you.
Kailan? Kung kailan guguho na yung mundo? Kailan, Gino? Kailan?
Ngayon. Ngayon, Kat. Ngayon.
Everything felt so real. You felt so real, Gino. Was everything we've been through a lie?
No. No. What we had was real. It was just temporary.
You didn't even tell me that we had a relationship before. What happened to us?
So, you remember?
Remember what?
Everything. When we first met.
When we get closer. When I first sang your favorite song to you, when I took you out on a date. When I bought you your favorite ice cream. When I made you my meals, when I gave you flowers. When I comforted you when you were at your lowest. Every sweet little moments we had.
Even before the accident, your family has always been against me. They took advantage of the situation and told me to stay away from you, to cut all of my contact with you. I did everything that I can to bring you back, Kat. It's just that your family is powerful. I lost my scholarship. My mom lost her job. We were even shown how where we lived in. But none of it stopped. I kept fighting until he threatened to send you abroad. I could never bear the thought of never ever seeing you again, and I didn't know what to do. I was so depressed at the time.
Kaya ka nagpakamatay? Sinasabi mo sa akin na huwag ako magpapakamatay. Tapos ikaw, You're such a hypocrite, Gino.
Nagsisisi ako na ginawa ko yun, Kat. I'm selfish. I didn't think of my mother's feelings. Ayoko lang na matulad ka sa akin na nagsisisi ngayon. There's a lot more on your life and hindi mo dapat sayangin yun. There are still people who love you, Kat.
Akala ko ba I was gonna be stuck with you forever? Ang daya mo naman.
I'm sorry.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, taginit o tagulan, haharapin bawat
It was perfect words last time. I love you till my last breath. Mahal na mahal kita, Kathleen Vasquez.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon ng bukas.
Mahal na mahal din kita, Gino Angeles.
Where have you been, Katrina Mara? Bakit bigla-bigla ka na lang nawawala sa sementeryo? Ganun ka na ba talaga kawalang respeto para hindi magpaalam sa amin?
Why are you in a completeness?
Kathleen, your mom is asking you.
You're crazy.
Kayong baliw.
What did you just say?
Gino Angeles. How? Paano niyo nagawa sa akin to?
What are you even talking about?
Don't act clueless, Dad. You've been deceiving me for so long. Hanggang ngayon ba naman, maang-maangan pa rin?
Lower your tone, Kathleen.
Did you know about this? Of course. You all knew about this.
Ayoko ng drama, Kathleen.
Hindi ito drama, Ma'am. Gusto ko lang malaman kung bakit at paano nyo nasisikmura na itago sa akin yung totoo. Lahat ng pagmamalupit nyo sa akin, ang kaliwat ka ng masasamang salita, ang pagpaparamdam nyo sa akin, hindi ako parte sa pamilyang to. Lahat yun tinanggap ko. Lahat. Hindi ako nagreklamo sa lahat ng pinapagawa nyo sa akin, Ma'am, Dad. Hindi rin ako nagdemand na itrato nyo ako bilang bunso nyong kapatid. Pero, para ilayo sa akin si Gino, yung nag-iisang taong nagparamdam sa akin ng pagmamahal, that's too much.
Ano bang pinaparating mo? Patay na yan.
Nagpakamatay siya dahil sa inyo. Tinanggalin niyo siya ng scholarship. Pinatanggal niyo sa trabaho yung nag-iisang bumubuhay sa kanya. You even threatened him na ilalayo niyo ko sa kanya. Ano pa, Dad? Ano pang pinagagawa niyo hindi ko alam? You used your power, not knowing how it would destroy someone. Alam niyo, Now it makes sense.
She doesn't need medicine anymore, Doc.
But she needs it.
I know Kathleen, Doc. She's strong. She'll be fine soon without those medicines. Baka may side effects pa rin pakasama pa sa anak ko.
I lost 2 years. 2 damn years of my memory. In that 2 years, I was with Gino. Yet, none of you dared to tell me what I had forgotten. How could you? I don't know if I can still look at you the same way. But one thing is certain. I can't live in this house anymore.
I left my family and lost Gino. I thought we'd always find our way back, that forever ended in a single moment. I honestly didn't see it coming. 1 second, I was holding on. The next, it was all gone. Today, a part of me died. And somehow, life kept going, even without the people I lived for.
Nakalimutan ko na, pero kwento yun ng first love niya.
Wow! Nangyayari kaya yun sa totoong buhay, ma'am?
Oo naman! Sa mundo, walang imposible. Kahit pa yung mga bagay na imposibleng paniwalaan.
Pero ma'am, di ba pumunta na sila? Paano sila nakakaharap ng tao?
When they are full of emotions, nakakagawa sila ng mga bagay na akala nila hindi nila kayang gawin. Just like normal people. Di ba kapag galit tayo or malungkot tayo, may mga nagagawa or may nasasabi tayo?
So, posible po kapag namatay ang isang tao, nag-i-stay sila sa lupa ng 40 days?
It's not really applicable to all. Sa mga tao lang may unfinished business o may mga gustong sabihin nung buhay pa sila na hindi nila nasabi hanggang sa namatay sila.
Wow, ang bangis nun, no?
Prepare for our quiz next meeting about 40 days and Filipino beliefs. Goodbye, class!
Goodbye and thank you, Miss Kathleen. See you on Monday.
Thank you. Yan naman ulit sa akin. Tara, kasi tayo.
Miss, kung ano man yung binabalak mo, huwag mo na ituloy, please. Giselle, bumaba ka dyan, please.
No, Kathleen. Pagod na ako sa buhay ko.
Giselle, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, alam ko mahirap, pero may mga araw pa na mas maganda kaysa sa pinagdadaanan mo ngayon.
Don't tell me what to do. Hindi mo alam ang pinagdadaanan ko.
Then tell me, so I can understand. Para matulungan kita.
Para saan? Para pagtawanan mo ako? Na yung dati nagpapahirap sa'yo, miserable na ang buhay ngayon?
No, Giselle. Hindi ako ganung klaseng tao.
I didn't finish college because I got pregnant. Akala ko magiging masaya ako with my boyfriend. Pero tignan mo yung ginawa niya sa akin. Minamaltrato niya ako. Inaabuso niya ako. At hindi ako makapagsumbong kasi konektado siya sa lahat. So the only choice I have is to end this life.
Giselle, hindi totoo yan. May mga taong pwedeng tumulong sa'yo. Vauci, counselors. Kahit ako, kaya kitang tulungan. Please, bumaba ka na dyan. Pag-usapan natin to. Think about your baby, Giselle. Gugustuhin mo ba siyang lumaki ng walang nanay? At sa apusado mong asawa? Sa tingin mo ba, magiging maganda yung buhay niya? Bumaba ka na dyan. Parang awa mo na.
Thank you. Lahat ng problema may solusyon, Giselle. Kung pagod ka, magpahinga ka. Kung ayaw mo na, lumaban ka pa rin. Bata ka pa. May naghihintay pang bukas para sa'yo at para sa anak mo. A permanent solution doesn't solve temporary problems. Who would have thought it would end this way? Me standing here, saving Giselle, the same girl who once made me feel so small. Life really has a way of turning things around. I spent so long thinking I was the only one hurting, the only one barely holding on. But in that moment, reaching out to her, I finally understood what Gino must have felt when he saved me. That quiet relief, that fragile breath of hope. And maybe that's the point. Maybe we don't survive just for ourselves, but so we can be the reason someone else chooses to keep going.
It's been 7 years since that encounter, but the memory is still clear, the wound still fresh. I miss you, Gino.
"7 years ago, I used to say these words through tears, but now I say them with a smile because I know he's in a better place. I will always be grateful for that moment because Gino is the reason I'm still alive, the reason I found myself again, and the reason I learned to stand on my own and pursue what I truly love. Yes, I'm a teacher now. After I left the house and cut ties with my family, I had to start over. It was hard, painfully hard, especially for someone raised in a privileged family. But I survived. I continued taking education, the course I always wanted. And now, I'm living a life I once thought impossible when I was 18. I've been visiting my doctor every week for therapy sessions, trying to regain my memory. Each visit feels like being torn apart and stitched back together again. It's painful, not just because of the exercises, but because every time I close my eyes, I see fragments of the life I had with Gino. Also, I haven't seen my family since. All I know is that my father lost his senatorial race after his corruption was exposed. At the same time, my mother left the world of showbiz because of that issue. And my 2 brothers, I haven't heard a word about them.
I think I'm ready to face them again. This is the right time I've been waiting for, Gino. Kathleen? Anak! Anak, kamusta ka lang? Okay lang po. Sana mapatawad po kami. Sana mapatawad si Daddy na nagawa namin sa noon. Sa pagmamalupit namin sa'yo. Huli na namin nalaman na mali ang pagdamutan ka ng pagmamahal. Ma'am, napatawad ko na po kayo kahit naman hindi pa kayo hihingi ng tawad. We all make mistakes, and the important thing is we learn from it. You learn from it. Napakabuti na po siya, ma'am. Ma'am, hanap na po kayo ni Sir. Ate Lynn! Ate! Kathleen, ang laki na ng pinagbago ng alaga ko.
Ate Mon, paano ka nakabalik dito? Nung nawala ka, kinuha ako ni Ma'am dahil naalala ka raw niya sa akin.
Ma'am? Hindi nga ako sinilita ka. Masyado na maraming nawalan sa akin para magpapasulit pa.
Asan po si Daddy?
Daddy?
Kathleen.
Daddy, anong nangyari sa'yo?
Na-stroke ang daddy mo, Kat. 5 taon na.
He was completely different person now. The person I was once scared of, the strong person, was now struggling to speak and couldn't stand up.
I'm sorry, Kathleen.
Dad, matagal ko na po kayong napatawad. Sana mapatawad niyo rin po ako sa ginawa kong pag-alis.
My mom told me they tried to find me a few times, but when they saw that I was starting to be okay, maybe even happy, she chose not to interfere. And somehow, I appreciate that. They made the effort, but they also respected my choice to live on my own, to heal in my own time until I'm ready to forgive them again. I asked Mom about my 2 older brothers and found out that Kuya Frank is abroad. He migrated after a viral scandal 5 years ago. He had to leave because it was all over the internet and spreading all over the Philippines. On the other hand, Kuya Fort has been in a rehabilitation center for 2 years now because of his drug addiction. Even though my relationship with my brothers wasn't great, I still see them as a family, and knowing this broke me.
Gino?
Ba't nababaha? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kapayapa
Bading ka.
Inauna na ang lahat, tinapad naman na aking sugat. Ngunit ba't ba hindi ito pa rin? Hirap na kong intindi